few months ago, we featured retired Air Force General Max Stitzer as our PaintedAutoParts.com Motorhead of the Week. Well, Max, in turn, has nominated a friend of his to be Motorhead of the Week. His name is Eric Alexander. Now, Max and Eric met back in high school where they shared a love of music and a love of cars. Eric took that love of music and built it into a very successful career in the high-end audio industry. That includes some of the amazing innovations and inventions coming through his company, Tecton Design. And his love for cars and other things that go has grown too. Eric is an accomplished hot rod, street rod, and race car builder. He's owned, driven, and raced dozens of cars over the years. His current fleet, you'll love this, includes both vintage and modern dragsters, a jet boat, a T-Bucket Roadster, a late model Corvette, and a Maserati. Eric is a regular at drag strips in Utah, Idaho, Colorado, and Wyoming. And General Stitzer even drives one of Eric's dragsters when he gets the chance. And the General says Eric wins on a routine basis himself, but he's best known for helping others perfect their skills and becoming winners too. Eric Alexander has an amazing technical knowledge. He's a pillar in the Western U.S. hot rodding scene, and he loves sharing his knowledge to help others enjoy the sport too. That makes him the perfect PaintedAutoParts.com Motorhead of the Week. And if you know someone who should be our Motorhead of the Week, just send us a note. Go to MotorheadGarage.tv and tell us why. That is also the same website you want to go to if you have a product you want to see featured here on Motorhead Garage. That's going to do it for this week. We hope you join us when we do it once again next week. Until then, drive safely. So long.